Hi, Margaret Raitt here, wellness advocate with doTERRA. All that means to you is I love educating others on the power and potency of these beautiful little brown bottles, our essential oils. So this video is to teach you the 3 ways you can use the oils: aromatic, topical, and internal. 3 ways, only doTERRA. First way, aromatic. Diffuse with your favorite diffuser. doTERRA has many. Water-based diffusers are best. When you breathe in an aroma, it goes to the limbic part of your brain where memory and emotions are stored. So you can instantly uplift your mood. You can calm yourself down. You can open up your airways. You can clean the air. Aromatic is very powerful. Another aromatic way is to put the oil in your hand, rub your hands together. Breathe it in. Oh, you can just feel that. That's our respiratory blend. I can just feel that opening up my airways. Number 2, topical. Area of concern. When I have head tension, this is what I do. Boom, boom. Hot, cool yourself off. Bottom of the feet is a great place topically. It gets into your system quickly and helps work on whatever issue you got going on. So that's number 2, topical. Dilution is recommended, especially if you have sensitive skin. So use our fractionated coconut oil or an unscented lotion. And when I have aches and discomfort on my shoulder, I just rub it right in and it helps with that. Number 3, only doTERRA is internally. So you can actually use most of our oils internally. I drink lemon in my water all day long, glass or stainless only. That helps flush out toxins and energize you. You can take them for digestive issues or anything you want to take. That's safe. That oil is safe for internal use. Okay, so there's the 3 ways. Thanks for joining me and hope to see you soon. Comment below or click on my link for more information. Bye.